Yeah, that's money. But it turns out,
So we'll just start today's video with Gibby whining and crying. Carry on. Oh, wait, I didn't give you enough sympathy yesterday.
oh yeah,
See his nose, see the side there. It's all, yeah, the
Don't
profile.
break the camera. Don't get it that close to it.
So you drop, and I find out more. You drop the deck lid, you smash your face with it, and just so you do have a little bit of a lump.
Finger on the
Yeah.
death wheel.
I cut up a insert for the wrong insert.
Put his
Yeah.
leg on the frame.
Oh yeah, run right into a frame that's sticking
I
out.
know.
Telling you.
Anyway, but we got some awesome soup today.
Oh, this is unbelievable.
So we started the day earlier. I didn't start it much earlier, but I've been up in the glass shop
Yeah, that's what you claim.
with the snapper, getting her done. You're getting her done.
Oh yeah. You spend all your money that I want.
I think everybody's liking your paint job on
Give
the.
it to me then.
Besides Dave and Gibby, I don't think.
No, I love
oh,
it.
Gibby
Oh,
likes it.
I like it.
Gibby just would rather have orange or purple.
Orange and purple, yeah. But I love it, painted.
And I look at the floor going, man, he needs to work on his. Like,
No, it was so runny. I swear that spray paint is so runny. I sprayed a dot over there at the other building for like whenever I get the new system, you spray like a blue dot on there.
he's not our neat
It
painter.
ran- it just
He's our
runs
glass
down.
guy.
It's terrible.
Because it's so cold.
It's so runny.
It's cold.
See, Gibby's whining. So we're
pretty
gonna
warm in the
eat your
summer,
hot
isn't
soup, which you were just complaining about. You was too hot.
It's hot.
Bob, we saw the wildest thing this morning.
The what?
The wildest thing. You know what? We got a big hole in the building back there. There was actually penguins up there this morning.
Really? Awesome.
I think they were
awesome.
blackbirds frozen. They're up there
Bald eagle.
in that big hole in the ceiling.
So everybody that's waiting on their car, this explains it right here. There you go. Finish your soup and go get busy, would you? Nice.
Nice.
So what are you doing?
Oh, this is my deck lid I fixed.
It's all better.
It's wet, don't touch it.
Wet, don't touch it. Okay. But you
What do
got it
you
all
think?
fitting good? Clean lines, clean lines, clean
Clean
lines.
lines? Yep, yep.
Primed in the car too?
No, just try that.
You had it on the car to make sure it fit?
No,
Well then, how do you know it fit?
because the holes are in the same spot.
Yeah, but what about the edges here?
Well, I didn't do that. I mean, that ain't my,
So we don't know if it fits yet.
When I set it in here, it fit nice.
No, it didn't.
It fit real nice.
Okay. Well, we'll clean up the edges
Okay.
and prime that.
Well, that's Dave's department,
That's Dave's department.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dash is in.
Dash is in.
Look.
And we've got Dennis's car without the D,
Yep,
the copper bucket.
the copper bucket.
So doing body work around all the edges here.
Yep.
What does that say?
Dude Dave. Nothing dirty, just Dude Dave.
What is he like signing his work now?
No, I did that.
Oh, you did that.
This is ready. I'm gonna mix up some pot. That's what I'm doing. I'm getting my little. These are my. This is what I put, to set my.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
So I'm cleaning them off. Those are full of Polybond.
Okay, so that drops in. So you got to be careful because if you push that, here, push that. Well, you can see how that rocks.
Yep.
And the other one does the same.
Yep.
So you want the roll of that line to be nice and smooth.
Yep.
And the same, the roll of this line, nice and smooth. So if you're ever putting the insert in, because this needs to be bent out a little bit somewhat sometimes.
Yes, a lot. I could set it in there. You can show me if you know. Yeah.
We'll show them when you put it in.
Okay.
But what you've got there is the width. Let's see. This here is a consistent width of the bucket.
Yes, and I've got.
In theory, you got a couple of these?
I've got a bunch of them.
Okay. So if you put this in like here, it's kind of key that the distance between here and the outside of the bucket, which is here,
Yes.
is the same. Otherwise, it just looks like,
Right. Otherwise, you could get.
yeah. So you're putting this here, holding the bucket in,
Right.
and at the same time being careful that the strength that's in that is not pulling that in too far or pushing it out or whatever. So it's
So
a,
yeah, I've got a bunch of them that will stay back around there.
Yep. So it's a balancing act.
Yes, it's.
Are you pretty good at balancing?
No, I'm not.
No.
Look, I can't even.
We
hang
get
on
you a
to this.
tightrope. All right. So look, and then sand everything
Yep.
so it sticks.
Yep.
And
This
then
is all sanded here.
so he's cut this out a little bit here.
Yeah, because it kind of tucks in right there,
Yeah.
right
So-
in here.
That'll give you a little bit of flex too in it.
Yes.
And sometimes right in here, if it doesn't pull around good,
You have to slot
you
that.
just slot that a couple
Yeah.
times. I don't know if you've done that or not.
No, I have not.
But it helps that pull in tighter, because remember, you're wanting this distance going all the way around here. How am I with the distance? I'm pretty good with that distance, huh?
Yep.
How do I fit in your little your little thing? Am I right there? Oh, not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
I guess after you've done a few hundred, you might figure it
Yeah,
out.
you do it in your sleep, you know.
Not anymore.
Guys like me got to work.
You
at
do
this.
it in my sleep. I don't anymore. All right.
Ready, Dave? Yeah.
Ooh, Dave is working. Physical work. Oh, he grunts. He's got the grunt going on. Moving it to the stand. Oh, did you feel that? It was like got the muscle burn going on.
Bob said, "Quit signing your."
How come you
autograph."
took it off of this? Oh, so you didn't have to bend over. You sound like me now. I look at things on the ground going, is it worth the pain to pick that up or not?
You
Oh,
can wait right here and do it, and then we'll set back down there, and I'll be all primer it.
all right. Well, I'm going to head back
I
to
got a
the...
bad back. My zachyregulus has been acting up.
Oh, no.
Your what?
My zachyregulus.
What that's a Zacharilla.
That's the word of the day. Give us a report later on what it is.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Okay, so I'm going to
Work
get...
on your attitude too.
It's your attitude. You're the one that.
You're the one writing stuff up here about me. Did you show that on the video?
I did.
Yeah.
I thought you were
Put
signing.
up with all morning.
I
You
thought
need
you
to
were
get here
signing
earlier
your
to get
stuff.
him under control.
It won't work. Golly. They have an idea. You know what I think?
Dave's idea.
You know what I think?
It's like the cupcake.
That contraption on your head is too tight. What is that on your head?
I was gonna go splunking after work.
Oh, splunking. It would be good for
That
splunking.
would be good for splunking.
Have you ever been
It's like
splunking?
pepper gnats. What's splunking?
Are you serious?
Where are you from, young man?
This is
Chicago.
Arkansas.
You had your head up somebody's all your life?
That's kind of like
What is splunking?
That's kind of like splunking.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Explain, Lucy.
Well, when you walk
Now let's
into
see that contraption work on your head.
We got a
So you walk in.
low beam,
All right.
low, high. That's to shoot 'em. Bow, bow, bow. And
You
then,
can't say that.
oh, that's right. That's for
Night
rat-
vision.
For finding mice and rats. They don't bother them.
Is that splunking?
No.
Splunking.
You might find a blind fish while you're splunking,
There's stalactites
and stalagmites.
and stalagmites when you go splunking.
That's in a cave. One comes down, one goes up. Stalactite falls down, and stalagmite
And when you go
goes up.
explore the cave, that
It's
is
called.
Exploring.
splunking.
Is it really?
Cave exploring, splunking.
That's a tweaker thing. You're looking for arrowheads.
Oh,
See what I've
Okay.
been putting up with all day?
pray for me, guys out there. We have the characters.
My polybond got hard because it was in the heat side. Look at it.
All right, so you're about even.
Yeah.
We're keeping Gibby cigarettes fresh.
Check it out, though. Check it out.
Oh gosh. All right, so we're looking pretty good. Get around there. How are we looking this way?
How's it look?
It looks like a door will go on there pretty good.
How's that side look?
Yeah,
Looks good.
Looks like it'll go on there pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like how he asked you, how's that look? Oh, it looks good.
All right. Well, that's how you do it.
Yeah.
Well, if you're a waitress and you go in, how was everything? Everything was awesome, right? You don't give them a chance to go, it was cold and I hated it. You say, wasn't it awesome, huh? All right.
Uh-oh, you didn't put a pipe on it.
We're glued in. You got Polybond under there?
Oh yeah.
It looks like Dave has been working on the door some.
Oh, not today.
Not today. That was all yesterday.
Oh, I sanded this corner here for him real nice. You'll see that?
Oh, is that what happened to it?
Is that what happened?
All right.
He probably does me a favor and scares me.
It scares me every time I come into the body shop. So I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave. You guys.
Hazardous back here.
Leave you guys alone.
There's
Oh my
something in the air
God.
back here. Oh, it's called frost.
See how nice that looks in there? Look at that. Look at that.
When you go to wipe that out now, clean your car.
You know, it'd be cool if you had like a little glove that had 40 grit on it.
I've heard of that.
Yeah? You can go like this with your.
Ain't nothing like giving your ideas out to other people and letting them make money off you. But yeah, that's not a bad idea.
All right, the lights are off.
Gibby's overworked.
I'm overworked.
You're both overworked.
I just primered everything.
Okay,
We're all set
we're all set.
for tomorrow.
I just put more tooling gel on something.
On what?
The mini go-kart, the 32.
Can I show you something real quick?
Hmm?
Walk this way. Walk. Right?
Ready, 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 ready. I'm ready.
Walk this way.
Okay, walk this way.
Walk this way.
So I'm going to guess you found the fender brackets. They came today. Oh, you didn't put them on.
Well, I wasn't working on this.
Well, I
today.
thought we had a little mini bet going. Who was closer?
Well, here's the problem.
No problems. Only solutions.
Our solutions is I can actually kind of put these where I want to.
Oh, because
Because
it's got
we have no-
independent front suspension.
Yeah.
And that's designed for no independent front
Yes,
suspension.
and our control arms are kind of right in the way.
Always.
So I'm going to have to slide this, put it where I want it, and make my own holes, and then through bolt it to the frame here.
Okay.
But we got this cute little box.
What is this?
Well, I don't know.
It's cute.
Oh,
on the hood?
Ooh.
it's this piece.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Look at that.
Gets a little Ford emblem in there too to
with
cut
the
it.
Ford emblem.
Wow.
That's why we couldn't get.
Why is it so long?
It goes up.
Oh,
match-
it'll end at the
It
grill.
ends at the grill.
Okay, right on.
Here, let me cut this off.
So you can see kind of how whoop-de-doop this is, China brand. We need to make sure that fits really well. By the way, this is the Blue Bayou, Mike's car. I kind of
Hey,
talked to him and
Mike.
we went over everything and thought we had everything we needed coming. And here, so it looks like it might all
That
be
thing's
here.
almost childproof, ain't it?
It's some tough stuff, man.
It's Gibby proof.
Yeah. We can make it work.
Yeah, we can make it work.
Yeah, we
sir.
can trim the back off a little bit. Because
Oh, no.
look,
Bend that a
no,
little
no,
bit.
no.
What- No, you
It's
got a
not
bolt.
really
You
even.
gotta have a bolt. Nut.
oh, it's supposed to fit over that, Bob.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yep, yep.
And gets that cute little Ford emblem in there.
Just hangs on the bottom, don't it?
Yeah,
It looks like it comes right off the grill.
yeah.
Nice.
That's sweet. I have to do some. Oh, can we bend on this, or is this brittle stuff?
Well, we're gonna try to make
Oh,
this
it's pot
fit
metal.
to that, and if we can't, we go tweak it out a little bit.
Okay. Mike, if
Smooth
it
it.
breaks,
Don't
well
break
then
it. Don't break it.
that'll be Dave's
Mike,
fault.
Mike, should I
said
slap him for you?
Well, if I'm here, you can't blame me.
Send me a letter. Include in there a little note to tell Gibby to slap himself.
We'll just load this up in mud and set it right on there, and it'll be a.
Yeah, make a big mound.
Sand it. We'll load it with mud. Put this on here, then we'll sand.
Hey, Gibby,
Counter sump.
say good night.
Good night, Gibby.